Hello everyone, this is Madam Case. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I want to show you how to make a really nice healthy oat smoothie. So the first thing to do is obviously have your blender. Add a cup of milk. Add a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And then add your oats. Today I'm using golden syrup flavored oats, so it already has syrup in it, but you can use just normal oats, and then maybe you can add a bit of honey if you don't have the syrup with oats. So this is the microwave packs, so I'm just going to pour it into my blender and then close it. Next thing to do is add 1 apple, blend, and then last but not least, 1 banana mashed up. There you go. You've got a healthy oat